Hi, my name's John, and what I'm selling here is a balancer for wind turbine blades. I've got a hub in my hand here, kind of show you how it works. These are designed for my hubs because they have a bushing on them, all built in to space them away from the generator. And anyway, I mount them on here. And mine don't need a nut on them because there's enough area there, but you can see how the bottom, where the heavy spot always goes to the bottom. Those are very fine bearings in them. So there it stopped. Normally it'll go back and forth a time or two. I must have just hit the bottom. There's a demonstration of that. They're pretty well balanced though. But this, like I said, my hubs are spaced out, but there are hubs out there that aren't. So I developed some other stuff here. Just a second. Here's a hub that's, I think it's a 3/16 cut. This is a laser cut hub. And if right now you don't need it, but if you had blades on it, you can slide this spacer over the top of it and then put a bolt in the end of it as such to keep it tight. And you can see how that's finding the bottom, and that's how they work. And you just keep sanding off or drilling, or it depends how bad they are. You can actually add bolts to them if there's extra holes, but in most cases, what you do is you sand off the end of the blade or shorten the end of the blade, or you can drill the heavy side too. Just start drilling when kind of pick the low spot and take out a little bit, and then give it another balance. And when it gets to a place where it's balanced, it'll get to it. You can be able to stop anywhere. What I usually do is take a magic marker and mark with a 1, 2, 3, 4 every time it stops. And when it gets to a place that stops randomly or not on the same mark anymore, it's pretty well balanced. So anyway, that's how it's working. These are costing me about $95 a piece to have made. I'm going to offer them for probably $129, and I'll start the auctions at probably $100. So these are for wind turbine blades, and they will save the bearings in your wind turbines and lots of vibration in your towers, and so that'll be well worth your investment into this. This is a 17 millimeter shaft, so it'll handle everything that's on the General Motors S12 alternators, which is what I use. So I've mounted mine here on my garage door, because in my shop you can see there's I don't have walls. I've got them all covered up, and I figured that'd be just a good place to mount it. So anyway, just thought I'd let you know that. Look for us on eBay at JRM 1955, and thank you for your time, and you have a great day.